If you're someone who's googling pregnancy safe skincare that works on brown skin, I get it. I went down this rabbit hole quite recently, and yeah, I switched up certain products because I didn't have these issues in my first pregnancy. So I'm moving away from anti-aging and working towards the concerns that I have now, primarily dryness and hyperpigmentation, especially around mouth and neck area, and also just repairing my skin barrier. So another thing that I actually added is using a gua sha tool to kind of address depuffing on my face. Now, using such tools actually take a long time to see the results. So I didn't film it because I haven't been doing it for so long, nor I was as consistent as one should be. Gua sha is apparently good for, depuffing and sort of this lymphatic drainage. But I didn't want to do that particular night because I was really tired. So yeah, just kind of wanted to mention that if you have the patience, then you must probably add that in as well. So just kind of walking you through my nighttime routine, which are safe ingredients, non-toxic, and is effective during pregnancy.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know.
Toner. My skin gets pretty dry. I recently added salicylic acid to target hyperpigmentation during pregnancy. About 2 pumps of that. Completely new addition. Used this one, anti-aging. ChatGPT recommended I use this instead. Here I am giving into this product. I use this on some nights. I absolutely love this. It's pretty thick. I do have a lot of dryness today, so I'm going in with this.
It's you and
And lastly, oil.
It's you.
So yeah, that was my 5-minute skincare targeting hyperpigmentation, skin barrier repair, and of course loads of hydration. So yeah, hope this helps.
If you want to try these products, the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.